One of the reasons why your videos go viral or you have a lot of views is when you're able to get a very good sound to those videos. It makes people come viewing your videos over and over again. But it becomes so frustrating when most of the times you use these sounds or these musics and you get a copyright strike. Like, it's so frustrating that sometimes after posting a video, YouTube tells you you have copyright issues and you have to delete it. It's so painful, and that is why today I want to show you how you too can start making your own music, getting your own sounds, using your lyrics, using the sounds you want, the beats you want, the vocals you want, and making it your own complete music. Even putting a copyright to it that when others use it, they'll have to pay you. So if you are in for this, stick to the end of this video. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Ifoma Joy, and on this channel we talk about business tips, business ideas, personal growth, and then we spice it up with biblical principles. If today is your first time of being here, don't forget to hit the subscription button, put a like, and keep coming over and over again because we have a lot to show you on this channel. And to my return subscribers, thank you for always being here. God bless you. And like I said, today we'll be teaching you how you can make your own videos. I'll be showing you how you can use a simple AI, right, to make your own music. You can turn it to a video, you can make it audio, and then you can put it out to every of your social media platforms, and you can still make money using it. So I'm going to tell you today, we are just going to go to the practical aspect of making those music. Then on my next video, I'll show you how you can turn them to a video, how you can make the audio turn it to a video that people will have to watch, and then you start making money. You can list it on Spotify, on every platform that you want to, and start making money with it. So right now I'm taking you to the studio where I will show you how you will do a simple, very simple, and it will not take you up to 5 minutes to create your own music and start making money with your own music. Or even if you don't want to make money with it, you start using it to post your content. How about that? You will love that, right? It's going to take you a few minutes and you get it right. So stick to it as we go right into the training.
Alright guys, so let's go to how we can create our own music with this simple AI. So you go to your Play Store, you type in Suno AI, so it comes out. This is it. You click on open after installing, after downloading, click on open, then you come here. These are the ones I've created, these are the musics I've created. So listen to this one now. From vision to value, I give my best. Success, no. Okay, so we want to create us. You click on this, then it brings you here. If you don't have lyrics, you can go to simple. It will bring out lyrics for you. Just tell it what you want, give it a prompt, it will bring out the lyrics for you. But because I've created my own lyrics from ChatGTP, I click on custom. So when you want to create your lyrics from ChatGTP, just give it a prompt of what you do or the kind of lyrics you want. Okay, like me, I have been using that ChatGTP personally, so it understands me, understands everything about my business. So I just told it I need lyrics for my business jingle, and it brought out lyrics for me. So this is the lyrics. Okay, so I'm just removing this. I just copied it and then remove all these emojis. Okay. Yep. Okay, I'm removing these too. Okay, then you come over to this, scroll up, come over here. If you want it to be instrumentals only, you click on instrumentals. If you want it to be a voice, if it's a male, you can click on male vocals. If it's female vocals, guitar, everything you need is there. Okay, if you want it to be a rap, you can put rap. Okay, if you want it to be epic, you can put epic. Mellow, you can put mellow. Experimental, you can put that. Okay, for me, I need female vocals, so I'm clicking on this, right? Then for my title, I'm typing in my hustle, my pride. Okay, you can type in anything. So the next thing to do is to click on create. Okay, it usually creates two different music for you. So you pick any of them that you like. If you still don't like them, you can still create another one. Hence, you have free coin left for you. Okay, so this is it. It's done creating. It doesn't take much time to create. Okay, so let's play it and hear it.
I show up daily, doing what I do.
Okay,
with purpose, passion.
So that's it. So if you want to download it, you click on this 3 dotted line here, right? Then you can click on publish book song. Immediately you click on this publish songs, it becomes public, right? Anybody can see it because you have published it. Okay, so you can download it from here. Look at download. I've downloaded already. It can download. When you come here, you say upgrade. That's if you need commercial rights. Like this music is just for only me, okay? So that if anybody wants to use it, they must share revenue with me. So you come here, you upgrade to the pro version so that they can give you that right, okay? If not, you can just click on download anyway. Like all these things are free, so try it out and let me know at the comment section, okay?
Hi guys, trust you were able to create your own music. I need to see or to hear about your own music on the comment section. What did you learn? Were you able to create your own music? Was it so easy for you to create? Let me know at the comment section. That is what will make me to push on to show you how you can turn it into video and also make a cover for it and start selling it, and the channels through which you can sell it. So keep to this and don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not. Turn on your notification bell. Don't forget that, so that you can get my videos whenever I upload them and whenever I go live. Peace.